Hey guys, so today I just want to introduce something new. So, what I want to do for myself is I want to at least study one company every week. And why I'm recording this is because I hope to share my research with you guys. Also, hopefully it will add value into you, and you learn something through all this. And it will also help me to increase my learning curve, because when I share this with you guys, and if I say anything wrong, right, I know you all will correct me on. Correct or not? So what I want to do is I want to learn how to invest properly and safely from the stock market. And hopefully this initiative will touch some of you guys, and you all will start to take action, and continue to dive and learn more about investing. So today I just want to cover this company called Teladoc. Teladoc is a virtual e-health and telecommunication uh, in the field of medicine, right? My personal view is that this will be the next big thing. Okay, so uh, why do I say that? It's because what Teladoc offers, right, is Teladoc offers you to meet a doctor, right, as and when you want. So Teladoc services, right, they offer 24 hours service. So for example, let's say it's 11 p.m. Where you're staying right now, and you feel you feel unwell, and if you go and have you ever felt so unwell that you cannot even drive or walk to the clinic? And this is what Teladoc actually specializes in. It actually helps you connect to a doctor 24 hours, 24/7. And I find that this is a very interesting business model, because it's something very new to us, right? Like, imagine you just log into your computer and you can actually find a doctor that's willing to consult you. It's something very new, and I'm very interested to find out more about this company. So before I dive into this company, I just want to share with you what is a story stock. Okay, so story stocks are stocks that are the price is driven by the whole idea or story behind it. So one popular example is Tesla. So Tesla is a story stock because Tesla, everybody wants to have the idea of, oh, in 2020 I want to drive electric cars, and the whole world will be filled with electric cars. But the fact is that actually Tesla is not making any money, and the stock price is really being driven because of the story told behind it. And but the thing is, when investors hear about these opportunities and they go inside, they did not consider about how the business is doing now. They are always thinking about how the company will do in the future if this works. So the key thing is if this works. Okay, so why am I sharing you story stock? Is because this is also one of a story stock. Okay, so after diving through Teladoc, right, I found out that actually year after year they've been losing money. And then so I think this is a very good business, so I want to dive deeper into it. So after looking through their financial statements, right, I found out that actually their profit has been growing year after year. And what really kills them, right, is because they start to acquire other companies. So other companies like Best Doctors, or even Healthiest You, they have been acquiring, they have been very active in acquiring companies. And I feel that this is one of the key reasons why their share price, their earnings per share is never positive. But instead of feeling, right, I actually go and find out through their annual report. So looking at their annual report, right, I can see that their after their cost of revenue, right, after deducting the cost of goods or cost of revenue, right, from their actual revenue, they actually have a gross profit of 171,000 for the year of 2017. And what really killed them was the general and administrative costs. So what are general and administrative expenses, right? Is that it, it goes to like those overheads like rents, utilities, insurance, and all these costs. So this is something that I feel that if you're in the medical industry, right, these are the costs that you have to bear because doctors are expensive to hire, right? So imagine if you hire a doctor for 24/7, of course you'll have a big burn in your pocket, right? And another thing that really killed them was the advertising and marketing because telehealth or meeting consulting a doctor online is a very new concept, so they have to spend a lot of money educating the people on how to actually log into the computer and find out which doctor is the best for you. And after looking at their streams, what they can do for people, right? Actually, it's a very simple business model. So all you have to do is log in. So, for example, if you can meet three types of specialists. So one is the physician, one is the dermatologist, and one is the therapist. So if you don't know what this is, it's okay. So if let's say you got a flu or cough, right? All you have to do is log in and then talk to the doctor. The doctor will give you a prescription, and then you use that prescription to go to a pharmacy and collect your medicine. So that is it. So I feel that this is a very interesting business, and it's something to actually look it's something to keep your eye keep an eye on because this might be really transform how we are gonna visit doctors in the next 10 years or 20 years because really telehealth is one of the things that I'm really looking forward to. And just keep this in your shopping list, and if there is a turnover, right, like let's say from a negative to a positive figure, right, I believe this is one company that you can look at. And if and it's really a company that I personally has been looking at for the past 3 to 4 months, and I can see that their share price has been raising a lot, and like I said, it's a story stock, right? So the better you tell the story, the higher the share price grow. So this is not a buy or sell recommendation. So also do your own due diligence. And so I'll conclude the first episode of Arnold's sharing, and hopefully if you learn something through this, right, give it a like or comment. And if I have a positive response, right, just I might consider doing this again and sharing with you again. Okay, so that is all. So I hope you learned something.